Hello, this is Miss Passer, and I'm making you this video so you will know how to record the audio for your extended oral project. So you're going to go to this website, reverb.chat, click on record. When you are ready to read the dialogue you wrote, you're going to click on the microphone. Hello, how are you? What is your name? My name is Miss Passer. Where do you work at? I work at Eastern Middle School. Blah, 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 blah. When you are done, hit record again. Type your name. Escribe nombre. Hit save. You do not need an account. Click on the link. Come back to your project, your Google Doc. Go down, down, down. Right click, paste. And then I will be able to listen to what you read. All right, thank you so much. Goodbye.